Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Vidyarthipoint. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and comments about the videos in the comment section. Today's topic is Essay on National Unity Day. National Unity Day is also known as Rashtriya Ekta Diwas. Is celebrated on 31st October every year. And it gets celebrated to memorize Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who always believed in the unity of the country. The first National Unity Day is celebrated on 31st October 2014, and the motive to celebrate this wonderful day was to offer tribute to the efforts made by the great Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to unity India. In 2014, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the day to unite the country, which was the motive of the great politician and freedom fighter Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 31st October is the birthday of the great freedom fighter and that is why on his birthday the National Unity Day started greeting celebrated. Thank you.